Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload a picture on Scrabble Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Scrabble Go game. Now tap on the display profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the camera icon. If you select Upload with camera icon, you'll be able to upload your photo from your gallery. If you tap on Upload with Facebook logo, you'll be able to keep your Facebook profile picture. Select any one of the options. Now select the photo and then tap on the Save button. And this is how you can upload a picture on Scrabble Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.